Mendoza?
On the charger.
Nasa bahay ba siya? Nasa bahay siya?
Opo. Hindi po. Napagupit po. Makakarating lang din kagabi.
Okay. Gagabi siya doon.
Magkakasama kami sa Singapore eh.
Nauna lang siya.
Nauna lang po yung flight.
Flight niya.
Love, we're going to Quezon City tomorrow for the other branch.
Sure.
Meron po kasi yung ibang owner na mag-open din yung branch nila bukas. Sa Quezon City naman. Ayaw po namin sa Canada na. Dito na po kami sa Pilipinas.
Andito ang ang kalakaran ng negosyo ngayon.
We're in Las Piñas na lang.
Las Piñas?
Yeah.
You know where I'm going?
Where?
The things, after this, that one. You can see fashionista.
Meron din sa atin
Dito po, main brand. Ayan, yung kita mo white and pink. Right there.
There.
Oh, fashionista.
Yan. 9 o'clock.
Right there.
That's the main branch.
Fashionistas. We're wearing this hair minutes.
Still close
9 o'clock po yun.
Girl salon. Yeah, I got a charger. I don't know. Somebody. The wash solution is. Eric was earlier, but like.
Nag-DP
Las
ako
Piñas.
DPWH ako
Ay, talaga?
Oo.
Hindi nagbanggit mo ba ako?
Hindi ako Hindi. Pandemic pa si Mark pa, no?
Opo,
Hindi ako nagpakita doon. Kasi nasa central office siya ako. Dito ako sa NCR kasi sa may pero ang district na hawak namin Las Piñas, Muntinlupa. Etong kay Madam na mga project. Yung mga River Drive na yan.
Oh, but yeah. Just walk wherever.
Hindi tayo ng mga mamumurang tayo. Mamumurang tayo ng mga umbrella sa mga gamit tayo.
Right.
Hello?
Shell. V-Power.
You know myself? They own a gas station.
Yeah. Nobody drives in the. Oh. Is that the Jeepney?
Yeah. Passenger jeep.
Me. Oh, that's the cool one. Look at that one.
Yung RFC. Yung dating RFC.
Huh. Red Ribbon. Yellow Cab Pizza Company. Jollibee in every corner.
Yeah.
Jollibee with rice. The McDonald's here with rice.
Look at these people. I need a big truck here. Look at this guy. Oh, Lord. It's just, you just drive anyway.
Yeah.
You just
Every
You just
corner there is a cross.
You just drive wherever you want. Just get out of the way. That's it. SM Mall.
Oh,
Yeah.
my favorite. Mall.
Marina's the SM Mall.
Wala, Christmas daw.
Where's the Christmas? I don't see no Christmas.
Friends Bear.
Lechon de las Piñas.
Here's the City Hall.
Oh, City Hall, Las Piñas City Hall. Wow, that's kind of nice. That's a big bus.
The perfect
That's where my wife's from, Las Piñas.
My school.
Which one?
Perpetual
Perpetual Health.
Yeah, that's
This
right.
one?
University.
Marina's old college.
Linggo po ba?
Oo.
Sarado yung mga ano. Dapat pumunta po.
Dapat ng ano pa? 15? 17? Saan ba dati pa sinong City Hall?
Sa hindi po. May sarili po kami ano.
Saan?
Sa may Manuela. Doon po. Sa may KFC. RFC.
Doon sa Manuela.
May inasal.
Ah.
Ngayon daw po sa Admiral na lang eh. Sabi ito na daw yung office nila.
Baka yung si Carlo.
Dito lang po.
Baka sa building ni Carlo.
Baka po.
May BDO.
KFC.
Ano pong ano nyo ngayon? Schedule nyo po?
Ha?
Ano pong schedule nyo po ngayon?
University of Perpetual Health Medical Center.
Wala sa hospital and school.
Why weren't you not a doctor?
Dito lang ako sa bahay. Gawa ng ano nga eh. Sa mga panahon.
Sharky's Pizza Parlor.
Burger King.
Rena, where's your old hangout?
Burger
Where's
King.
your club?
Cowboy Grill. Not yet.
No, your club, I said. Where you used to go clubbing.
Wala na po. Wala ako nakikita ng Kobe Grill ngayon.
Grabe. So rainy.
Yun yung white.
Wala na. Metro Mall na siya. Pero hindi na masyadong ano yan. Hindi na masyadong active.
Ang dami nakabilyar mo. Nakabilyar sa kanila.
Another SM.
That's some
Hypermarket.
hypermarket.
Yeah.
I want to go to the market. Huh? Look at this big KFC. Holy moly, that's a big KFC. What's that? Is that the garbage? Oh, look at these guys just drive wherever. Look at that. It's crazy. Holy shit.
Nagugulat na naman mga marites.
Mm.
Mga marites. Wala. Mga marites.
Mm.
Nagugulat na naman po yung mga marites.
Hindi ba nila alam?
Wala po.
Ah,
Las
okay.
Piñas. Where's the tailor? know where the
Tapos
tailor
kasama
is?
ko pa yung asawa ko. Siyempre, mga alam mo yung mga marites, mga... Yan pala yung asawa niya rin.
Bakit? Hindi ba nila nakikita yan? Ng FB?
Sa FB lang.
O, FB lang. Hindi pa personal. Ang kailan ako na bilon?
Ay, 11
Twen-
years na po.
Kakalaw.
Years ko malis. 11 years pa lang.
11 na ba?
Mukha lang 20.
Parang huling kita natin yung nag-reunion tayo rito sa court eh.
Opo.
Sa Talon Una, congressman pa si ano, si Mark. May kuha pa silang dalawa ng nanay nun, magkatabi sila. Kaya sabi yan ng mga tiga-DP, oh, kumag-anak mo ba yan?
Kasi nagpunta siya.
Hindi ba nung mag-reunion tayo eh, nandun dumating si Mark doon?
Opo.
Oh, they got rice at McDonald's here?
Yeah.
we do.
What the hell?
Yeah.
You're walking distance there.
Walking distance.
You're near
Go
here.
out and walk there.
Your house here.
Look at the houses when I was trying to, ano, kaya lang condo kasi is not good. Across lang the street, the condo.
It's not being built anymore?
They're still building it.
Doesn't look very good.
Kasi
All how many years?
Here we are.
Ate ko na lang yung natin.
Si Leslie ba? Ang kuya mo ba?
Ko, nabigyan ko ng permit. Pero wala pa, hindi pa siya permanent resident.
Hindi pa may permanent. Puntahan natin si Jerry.
Opo, pagkatapos. Baba ko lang po yung...
Oh, sige, sige.
Parang-
Etong ano, payong.
Uy, you know my auntie?
Which
They
one?
say you, I love you.
This one.
Yeah.
Dead already. This is her house.
Oh,